In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut in CapCut PC. If you want to remove mistakes, trim away dead air, or slice a single clip into multiple parts, this walkthrough will show you the two fastest ways to do it, so your edits feel clean and intentional. Start by looking down at your timeline. That long horizontal area is where your clips live. You'll see a thin vertical line running through the tracks. That's your playhead. It marks the exact frame CapCut will act on. Click and hold that vertical line and drag it left or right. As you move it, watch the preview to land precisely on the frame where you want your cut to happen. Take a second here to be precise. The cleaner your cut point, the less adjustment you'll need later. The first method uses the toolbar. Just above your timeline tracks, find the shortcut panel. Look for the split icon. It resembles two square brackets pulled apart. With your playhead exactly where you want the cut, click that split icon. Instantly, CapCut slices your footage at that frame. You'll now see your clip separated into distinct pieces on the timeline, which makes it easy to move, mute, or delete a section without touching the rest of your edit. The second method is the Pro shortcut, and it's even faster once it's in your muscle memory. Move your playhead to your next cut point, then press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. That's it. Another instant slice, right at the playhead. Use this shortcut to quickly create two precise cut points around an unwanted section. First, place the playhead at the start of the mistake and press Ctrl+B. Then move to the end of the mistake and press Ctrl+B again. Now click the middle section that contains the error and tap Delete on your keyboard. That removes the problem area in one clean move, leaving the remaining parts of your clip intact and ready for further editing. Both methods do the exact same thing. One is a click, the other is a keystroke. Pick whichever feels faster to you in the moment. The key is always the same. Position your playhead exactly where you want the action, then apply the split. And that's all you need for precision timeline cuts using quick mouse clicks or keyboard shortcuts. With these two approaches, you can trim away mistakes, tighten your pacing, and keep your story flowing smoothly. You're all set. Done.